breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. It's a vote chori charge by leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. And now Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has responded. A point-by-point rebuttal has been given. He has cited facts and figures to counter Rahul Gandhi. Defence Minister has also dared Rahul Gandhi to show proof of irregularities as being claimed by leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. And he's also slammed irresponsible statements, repeated irresponsible statements that are coming in from Rahul Gandhi. Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejshri, good afternoon. You know, since last couple of days, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has been talking about something in Karnataka that has happened wherein EC was involved, wherein EC helped BJP win elections. He's talking about one specific parliamentary constituency, but he's not really revealing any details. But now we have the Raksha Mantri coming out and throwing this open challenge to Rahul Gandhi. I mean, it's just exploding, this entire war of words now, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, and this is going to intensify more because the kind of statement that Rahul Gandhi is giving, now next we'll have to see that what kind of revelation he is going to make in the coming week and what will the revelation be. That is the bigger thing, because now the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, while speaking in an event in Bihar, in fact, he has given a complete challenge to Rahul Gandhi that come out and tell that what kind of evidence do you have, because remember that the attacks that are being made on the election commission, this is not for the first time. Multiple times when there is a state assembly election or that Sabha elections as well, we have been seeing that there are multiple kind of claims and allegations that are being leveled up from the side of opposition or Congress party particularly. But this time Congress party's Rahul Gandhi says that he, and the leader of opposition of course, he says that he has some proof and that he will be revealing in the upcoming days. And perhaps he also calls the election commission or the entire election system of India as something which is dead. So that is also one of the big remarks coming in from Rahul Gandhi, who earlier called or in fact reiterated the statement given by US President Donald Trump as Indian economy dead. He in fact stated the statement as correct statement. Then he now says that the entire Indian election system is dead. Now we'll have to see that what kind of proof Rahul Gandhi presents. Because time and again we have been also seeing that, when the questions are being raised, especially if we talk about the special intensive revision that's being carried out in the state of Bihar, there has been, point-by-point rebuttal by the election commission as well. They have also been responding to the statements that the opposition parties are making. And now we have seen that Rajnath Singh himself is giving out a statement and saying that the election commission definitely is a constitutional body, and if Rahul Gandhi has something like this, then he should come forward and put the facts, put the proof or the kind of evidences that he has regarding the state of Karnataka. As you rightly mentioned, he mentioned about something he has of a particular constituency from where BJP won. We also should remember that Congress party also in fact raked up this issue during Maharashtra Assembly elections as well, and in fact not just that, but during the result also they held a press conference that why there was, why the data was reflecting late, how the voters were added, how the voters were deleted as well. So all these things we have been seeing that they were picked up. If we talk about Delhi Assembly elections as well, then in fact the massive issue of voter deletion was picked up by the opposition parties. But something that must be seen as an evidence. What will be, it comes to be very much interesting. Back to you.
Right. Well, yes, it will be interesting to see the proof that Rahul Gandhi has, the evidence that he is talking about of vote theft by the election commission to benefit the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tejshri, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Let's now move on, viewers, and shift our